Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to change your TikTok account name and username. Don't waste your time, let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok official app. Now just tap on profile and then tap on edit, and now just tap on name, and now select your name, just delete and rewrite your name, save, and now just tap on confirm. You cannot change within 7 days, and then just tap on username. Well, delete your username and now rewrite your username newly. Just rewrite your username and see here the stick mark, and then just tap on save, and see here you cannot change your username within 30 days, and then tap on just confirm. Your username and your account name already changed. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another important video. Thank you.